Meaning of evangelistic.
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 Evangelistic. The word evangelistic refers to the act of sharing or promoting a particular religious belief, especially Christianity. Its roots are in the Greek word evangelion, which means good news or gospel. An evangelistic approach typically involves actively seeking out potential converts and striving to persuade them to accept the religion in question. The ultimate goal is to spread the message and bring as many people as possible into the faith. The result of an evangelistic approach may be increased membership for the religious group, as well as a stronger sense of community and shared purpose among its members.